Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone, they have various items here. Definitely looks like they're doing like another bohemian style DIY. Now this looks like a fairly easy project, nothing too complicated. Almost looks like she's making a table tray, I want to say. Okay, this is getting interesting. Oh, it is a table tray. Oh, wow. That placemat on the top just really added some interest to the piece. Very cool idea. I have never seen a project like this before. That came out absolutely very nice. And what's great about it too is that not only is it unique, but it also looks like it's fairly easy to do. All right, so for the next one, we have a bowl here and some spray paint. So they went with black. And then they have like a little candle holder here. Okay, so she glues that to the bottom. Oh, so she's using it as like a little decorative bowl. Oh, that is pretty. You know what? Looking at these, it almost looks like styrofoam with some glitter in there. And I never would have thought that you could play around with such an easy creation, but you can totally create your own like decorative balls. That is really pretty. Not sure if that's what she did, but it definitely gave me the idea when looking at this. That is really cool. And this is a nice little like glam decor piece. So definitely my kind of aesthetic and vibe personally. All right, so then we have another dollar store DIY. They have the candle holders here, painting them this really bright red shade. It looks like they're using the bottom of a wine glass that they sell at Dollar Tree as well. And then they have a jar here. Oh, this must be like a Christmas inspired DIY. Yeah, so they put like the little candy there. This would be cute if you had like a little sweets table, if you just wanted to decorate with candy during the holiday season. And then we have another boho inspired design. So I have an entire video of boho inspired DIY project idea video reaction coming out, if it isn't out already, so be on the lookout for that. So they are taking a photo frame and then going in with some yarn. Now what's great about this particular project is obviously you can make it as big or as small as you desire. It's another one of those projects where you can play around with it and just make it your own. Very cool. That came out absolutely incredible. And then we have some type of wall hanging DIY. Okay, so they're doing some macrame for this one. Oh, it looks like they're making like the leaves, and oh, I like the ombre color. That's pretty. Different shades of brown and ivory. Adding in some beads. Oh, this is beautiful. I feel like this would look great hanging over like your bed. That is so cute. Then we have a pampas grass wall. So they are using this for their business, but you can just use it as like a decor for your home or your bedroom. I think that would be cute. Actually, now that I mention it or think about it, I feel like this would be really pretty over the bed as well. Oh, we don't get to see the end result. That sucks. All right, so moving on to the next one. If I do find the ending portion of that video, I will put it in another one. So here we have someone just simply spray painting a cylinder glass and putting some pebbles in there. Oh, okay, they're going with the gold. I thought that they were gonna like decorate with this, like putting them in the container. But it looks like they're gonna use it to decorate. So, okay, so I wonder if they're making a vase here then. Going in with the black and the gold. I love it. Can't get enough of these two colors combined when it comes to decor. Oh, I went in Home Goods the other day. There were so many beautiful pieces with gold and silver and crystals. Oh, just so many cool ideas for Halloween. Oh, this is pretty. Nice, simple DIY project too, and that looks amazing. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.